I'm going to show you what it means to expand this sum and a way that we can do that without actually plugging in a whole bunch of numbers. So, first, a few things about sigma notation. The number on the bottom is telling you which term to start with. The number on the top is telling you which term that we're going to end with. So, we are going to find terms 1 through terms 12 that have this rule, 3 plus 4k. So if you wanted the first term, you just plug in k equals 1. So the first term would be 7. If you want the second term, we can write a sub 2. Remember, that's the second term. And so on. Now, it's going to be pretty tedious to do this 12 times. If this number on the top was a 100, you're definitely not going to want to do that 100 times. So a shorter way that you can do it is to use this sum formula. N is how many terms that you are adding together. And then all we need to find is our first term and our last term. So in this case, we want the sum between terms 1 and terms 12. So N would be 12 in this case. Now, I already found the first term. When you plug in k equals 1, you're finding term 1, which is a subscript 1. So I already have that. That's 7. The only thing we're missing is a sub n, which in this case would be a subscript 12. We need to find the 12th term. Well, if you're given the rule, remember, you just plug in whatever term number you want for k. So 3 plus 4 times 12 would be 3 plus 48, which is 51. So now we have everything we need to fill in our formula. Now, I would definitely encourage you to try this on your own before I give you the answer. So if you need to pause it, go ahead and do that. But when you simplify, you get 348. So instead of us adding up every single term between 1 and 12, we just use this formula. And again, we only needed 12 terms here. But if I asked for 100 terms added together, the formula is going to help you out a lot.